Coming to you from Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, is 29-year-old Sai Kiran Dhanalakota. His family, the Dhanalakotas, consisting of 7 families and belonging to the Nakashi community, have been practicing the art of Cheriyal Scroll for many generations. With the demand of Cheriyal Scroll reducing, his family told him to study and not pursue art. But Sai Kiran pursued a degree in fine arts to learn new techniques to modernize Cheriyal Scroll and make it relatable to today's audiences. Having received a state award in 2017, Sai Kiran shoulders the big responsibility of carrying this legacy forward. He believes our art has to keep up with this change and evolve too.
We're going to learn Cheriyal painting in 3 different stages. So one is easy one, a smaller one, and the other one is somewhat different and somewhat complicated than the first one, and third one is somewhat bigger and somewhat complicated one.